Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back. You've probably seen this before. Well, I'm going to be giving this one away. I'd like to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel and watched. And yeah, it's just gone mad this last month or so. While I was thinking about a 5,000 subscriber giveaway, I got to 6,000. So it's about time I gave something away. Oh, you'll be thinking, am I right? Stingy witch, won't you? So here it is. If you've not watched me make this one, I'll show you. This was the junk journal that I made in an hour, then I embellished it in an hour with pre-made embellishments. So it wasn't really done in 2 hours. The cover was an hour and it took me an hour to decide where to put bits and bobs. It's got some seam binding that I've dyed around it with a little lollipop stick embellishment that says journal, fastened down with a little ball chain keyring. We'll go ahead and show you what's in here. Yeah, I will link the videos where I made it and embellished it, and there you will find all the individual videos linked for when I made the different tags and bits and bobs. Yeah, so it's got those. I'm going to put those back in because I don't want to forget where they go. Then if we open it up, on the inside we've got this large pocket. The whole thing is embellished with the yeah, I'll show you the book because quite a few people have asked to see this book. So I'll show you the book that I've used pages from. And it is this. Sorry if there's any glare. It's the Concise British Flora in colour. This book goes from, you can get it, I got a copy for £7 recently. Now it's up to silly money. It goes up and down depending on demand and supply. But it's a beautiful book. Every page is usable. I absolutely love it. So they're the book pages that I've used, and I've used quite a few within some of the embellishments. Right, crack on. We've got a little Tim Holtz slots die cut there with bits and bobs in. We've got these in here. That one's a little notebook, flip up one. I've done it so that you can replace the paper. I'm always keen to try and make notebooks with replaceable paper. So that's that one. I think that's an Artie Maze. I'm not 100% sure. It could be a Tracy Fox. We've got some napkin decoupage there. Again, there's individual videos on all these. Another little pop-up matchbook style pocket with a tag there and one there. Behind that we've got another tag. That's definitely, I'm going to say it's definitely Tracy Fox or Artie Maze. Yeah, I said that about last one. Some ledger paper. That's a digital by Yvonne Preston. Got a little pocket here that I showed you how to make. Yeah, we'll do it. And inside it's got something. Oh yeah, another little journal card that you can write on and in. So this is very much a journaler's junk journal. Plenty of room. It's not over embellished, but there's still plenty in it. Then we've got another tag there. I did that with a masterboard. There we go. There's plenty of pages unembellished. So if you want to embellish more, I think that one is a Victoria Designs. I forget who that is. I still can't remember. That's a vintage book page from a logarithm book, an old diary, a pocket, and inside we've got a teeny tag and another journal card. You could make that into a booklet, anything you want. Some straw paper, I've put that on. Pages from the book, paper clip there. Now what I've done here is I've paper clipped the centre few pages together. So if you wanted to journal on these and keep it quite private and didn't want to see it when you flip through, you could. So that is just tea dyed paper. That's a, yeah, index page from a botanical book. So yeah, I just clip those together like so. And that's a totally hidden paper clip. You don't see the paper clip, so you've got embellishments on both sides. I'll put that back on again. If I move anything, I'll forget where it goes and I'll have to watch my own video. Right, there we've just got a little file folder style open up journal spot with a little tag. That's just popped on with a paper clip. The other side of the straw paper. There I did a belly band, just pop that little, this is mulberry paper with a little flower embellishment, a journal card. It is open international, this giveaway as well, wherever you live in the world I'll post it. There we've got a card with that was a lovely digital from Jane at KraftingKittyKat. Again, these are using the book pages. More of that tea dyed. Another big pocket there. That was from an Edith Holden printable from the Edith Holden CD, which I know is hard to get hold of. That one is my little digital. You can get that on my Buy Me a Coffee site. One of Jane's again. If you do have any questions, lately I've been missing emails. They've been ending up in my spam. So if you message me through Etsy, you can click the Etsy link in my description. It'll take you to my Etsy shop and you can message me there. And then I won't lose your messages. So just a little FYI. Right. And if the winner of this does actually then want to buy anything from my Etsy shop, the postage will be much cheaper, because what I'll do is I'll include it in with this book. Just a thought. Because I know some international postage is rather expensive. Right, so that's just a little, it looks like it's an envelope, but it's just a fold out for journaling. There we have it. Got a little, that's just a digi from My Porch Prints. I just thought the colour went so well with this. Some Edith Holden pages. There we have it. Oh, I've still not put anything in top of there, have I? Yeah, I will pop something in the top of there. Some ribbon or seam binding. That's just, you can use that as a little bookmark. So there we have it. If you want to participate, just comment. You don't have to put I want the book, blah blah blah. Just any comment on this video. I won't be replying to comments on this video, so I'll just put a like and a little heart. So then I'll use one of those random comment generators. And my plan is to next Friday do the drawing live. Yeah, I've never done a live video before, but my plan is next Friday evening I will put the time up on my community page and I will do a live. Yeah, you won't see me, you'll just hear me. Yeah. But I'll do the drawing, but I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know. I need to look into how to do lives, don't I? I'm a bit of a, yeah. I'm a bit of a techno, not a technophobe. I'm not afraid of technology. I just have no intent. I have no actual, inclination to learn how to use something until I need to use it. Yeah, I figure my brain's only got so much space, so I fill it full of things I don't need to know. Yeah, so I've never needed to know how to do a YouTube live. Now I want to do a YouTube live. I'll free up some of that brain space and I'll learn how to do a YouTube live by next Friday. Yeah. It'll either be a live. If I can't figure out a live, it'll be a premiere. Yeah, in which case I'll be there to be able to talk to you. But I'd like to do the drawing live. Yeah, so you see it's all fair and above board. So, yeah, that's it. That's the back of it. It's just plain. It's quite a chunky little monkey. It is a full, well, it's bigger than A5. I'll measure it for you, just so you know. It is 6.5 inches wide by just under 8, oh no, just over 8, no, it's just under 8 3/4, yeah. Couldn't decide then, could I? So, there we have it. Just comment on this video. You don't have to put anything special, and you will be entered, yeah, into the draw to win this journal. So, thank you very much for joining me, and, yeah, I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, yeah, one thing. This should have been my Scrapbusters. The reason it's not my Scrapbusters, I bet I've had a snoozy day today. I've had a nap, and it's quite a involved one this time. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to enjoy it. Melina has done 5 different things with washi tape, so we'll get to use up some of that washi tape that we've had hanging about. Yeah, and I know I've got washi tape hanging about, but I can't find it. I will find it, and you'll probably get my scrap busters on Sunday. So there you go. I am going this time. I'm really going. Yeah, so see you next time. Bye.